Hello lovely people. And this weekend we are going to start renovations on the garden, which basically is securing the fence that has blown down during the storms, because we're by a busy main road. What a privilege. What a privilege. Hello, darling. Hello, sweetie.
That's it, just another hour to go.
Oh, I'll never get that far. I want any of that. And don't tell me I got myself a job.
Actually, that one needn't come off.
Have you done that?
Da-da!
Oh, God, I can't do this bit.
She's a tree fella.
Now that is hard work. Here we go, we hit a little snag, which is this big stone, which has been in our garden for I don't know how long. But as we cut everything back, we know now that it has to go. And Hercules Mark is moving the thing. We might see his eyes pop out. Okay. Well done. The hero of the hour. Good morning, lovely Paws2Freedomers. We are actually quite glad that we made a start, because unfortunately today the weather isn't with us. It's very rainy, drizzly, what have you. So at least we made a start. We secured it again with the pallets, and there's still the sort of, even though quite rickety, fence in the back.